How's it going, everybody? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's video, we're going to be covering a quick breakdown of removing and replacing the front wheel hubs for all 2005 to 2014 S197 Mustangs. Replacing the wheel hub assembly may be needed during the ownership of your S197. This video will give you the proper knowledge of replacing an old, worn-out wheel hub. Some of the things to look for identifying a worn wheel hub are going to be constant audible noises from the front end while driving, or even vibrations through the steering wheel. We're going to be working on an S197 in the shop today to show you how this is done. Some of the tools you're going to need are going to be a lift or Jackson jack stands, a complete socket set, a 3/8 or 1/2 inch impact or ratchets, a dead blow hammer, some assorted pry bars, flat bladed screwdriver, 36mm 1/2 inch socket, and a 1/2 inch torque wrench. To begin the installation, place the vehicle on a lift and take off both front wheels. You will need to remove your stock calipers and rotors from the car. If you need to know how to complete this task, check out the link in the description below. Next, you will need to remove the front spindle nut dust cap. Using a flat-bladed screwdriver and a hammer, lightly tap the screwdriver between the cap and the hub face. Do this on multiple sides until you can pry the cap away from the hub. Now, using a 1/2 inch impact and the 36mm socket, remove the nut holding the wheel hub to the spindle. Now you can fully remove the hub from the spindle. Once this is off, take a few minutes to inspect the spindle and ensure that all surfaces are clean and free from any defects. Slide the new hub in place and thread on the new spindle nut. This hub will need to be torqued to 221 to 295 pound-feet. Center the cap on the hub face, and using a 1/2 inch extension and your dead blow, lightly tap the surrounding edges until this fully seats in place. Reinstall all your brake components and torque these back to factory specifications. Repeat these steps for the other side. Reinstall your wheels and tires, and then go test drive the vehicle, and you are all done. Well, wrapping things up, everybody, we hope this video has helped you have a better understanding of how to replace the wheel hubs on your S197 Mustang. Overall, this one should take you roughly about an hour to hour and a half to complete. If you liked this video, make sure that you hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and turn on notifications to keep you up to date with any new tech info we release. As you already know, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.